Storm Door Guy here, and today I'm doing an honest, no BS review of the Larson Savannah storm door. First off, this is a 3/4 light storm door, which means the glass is 3/4 of the length of the door. This door has a brushed nickel door handle. Notice there is no key lock, so there's no key that comes with the door. It's a little thumb lock right here. You push this thumb lock up and it locks the handle into place, push it down, it unlocks it. Be careful, you can lock yourself out. This door does come with a roll screen. You pull this latch down. The screen is hidden in the door. I do like that feature. There's a single closer mounted in the middle of the door. And back to the screen, you just raise this all the way up and this latch catches right on a little lip there. So, one thing I like is this door does have a pre-mortise in the frame, so this is where the door latch goes to. These screws can become a little loose, so you have to tighten those from time to time. Also, this does come with a door sweep. It's a single layer rubber weather stripping, which I don't prefer, and this is a plastic expander. So this rubber weather stripping is actually connected to the expander, so you cannot replace this if it goes bad. You have to replace the whole expander. The space here is normal for storm doors. It's designed so that this piece can move up and down for various heights of storm doors between 80 and 81 inches. Overall, this is a very good storm door. I would say it's a mid-level storm door, renter grade, or if you just don't want to spend a ton of money on a door and still get a hidden screen, this is a great door to have. So again, this is the Larson Savannah. For more tips and tricks, visit stormdoorguy.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to purchase this door, click on the link in the description below.